Hi, this is Prachi Desai. Tune into Bollywood and Glamour.
From the best a man can get to the best a woman can get, which is respect. Actually, I'm grateful, I'm thankful, I'm honored that an out and out men's brand like Gillette has come up with a very important, very valuable campaign like this for women. I personally believe that every single man has a soldier deep within.
As a kid, when you see how the elders in the family look at women, that's exactly the way you start looking at women and respecting women.
Firstly, I think I should congratulate Gillette for this wonderful initiative and the campaign. And the number shows that it's been a grand success.
Actually, firstly, I'd like to thank PNG for making me a part of this. Let me tell you that they keep coming up with these initiatives, which I feel so honored and proud to be a part of always. I'm sure कि हमारे घर में ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं. I'm sure it's your dad who's protective about you. It's your brother who's so supportive, and everybody else is so encouraging, but it's not something that we really acknowledge them for. We always pick up at men for all the wrong things and all the bad reasons. I'm really happy that I'm here today for Soldier for Women, because of course our men here on this stage are very big examples, and Mandira and me, I think, are really, really glad that अगर आप किसी को कुछ help कर रहे हो, support कर रहे हो, encourage कर रहे हो, या if you're showing courage around, people, I think, kind of take inspiration from that, or maybe just get embarrassed and realize कि हमें भी यही करना चाहिए. So I'd like to thank the team for making me a part of this, and yes, I pledge my support for Soldier for Women. All the qualities that a soldier has, you have to be supportive, a lot more courageous, and of course go and kind of show your support to a woman when she's in a situation. So that's something that I think is fabulous that Gillette has come up with, and already ये movement बहुत ही successful हुआ है, क्योंकि उन्हें 3 lakh people have written in, उन्होंने बताया कि हमारा personal experience क्या रहा है. So I'm that one added person into the 3 lakh people now. I salute all our soldiers. I'm so glad if you actually look at it like that. मैं कहूँगी कि हम as actors बहुत ही lucky है कि जो चीज़ें really हमें भी we think that are very important, we're given a chance to actually be associated with it, and हमें ये मौका भी दिया जाता है कि we can voice our opinion. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जो probably I think really affects you, me, all of us.
इतना भी encouragement जो मिला है और इतने भी जो response मिले हैं, ये बहुत बड़ी तादाद में है, और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें, इसको और लोगों में ये इसका अवेयरनेस जाए. माय थिंग इज़ दैट treat women with a lot of love, with a lot of respect, and equally. That's how they need to be treated.
जब Soldier for Women का वो कमर्शियल, वो एड फिल्म देखा, वहीं से मैं इंस्पायर हो गई. I wanted soldiers not to guard our borders, not to fight wars, but to support the most important battle in our nation, and that is, basically to stand up for women. So I think this campaign, this movement is very, very important, especially in times like this, and that's why I wanted to be associated with it. सबसे पहले मेरी लाइफ के सोल्जर मेरे हस्बैंड हैं. उन्होंने तो मेरे को क्या सपोर्ट दिया है पूरी लाइफ में, पर मैं उन मर्दों को, उन लड़कों को ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि those of you who stood up for women, respected women in your lives, keep that going, keep that mission on, keep doing what you're doing.
See, the message is only this, is that we're not asking people to go out of their comfort zone or anything. What we're trying to say is that these are basic principles of being respectful to women, of helping them when they do need help, of making sure that you can do your little part. I think all of us have been brought up with a certain sense of family values, and treat women how you would expect some of your own family to be treated, how you would like your wife, your sister, your mother to be treated, and that will make you a soldier for women. I'm pretty sure of that.
And I congratulate Gillette because they're both important
टॉपिक है, वेरी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कॉज है अपने कंट्री में, कॉज ऑफ कंसर्न है। स्पेशली जो है लास्ट ईयर जो इंसिडेंट्स हुए दिल्ली में, असम में, दूसरे पार्ट्स ऑफ अ कंट्री, बहुत ख़राब इंसिडेंट्स हुए और सिविलाइज सोसाइटी में वैसे इंसिडेंट्स होना ही नहीं चाहिए। तो आई थिंक ये मैसेज पास कर रहे हैं थ्रू दिस कैंपेन कि एक औरत को जो है डिग्निटी, रेस्पेक्ट के साथ ट्रीट करना चाहिए और एक इक्वल के साथ ट्रीट करना चाहिए, जो मुझे मेरे माता पिता ने छोटे जब से ही सिखाया है। जो औरत आप नहीं जानते हैं कुछ तकलीफ़ में, तो कैसा आप जाके वो औरत को सपोर्ट करते हैं, कैसा वो औरत का रक्षा करते हैं, वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है। और वो ये कैंपेन के थ्रू अच्छा मैसेज पास हो रहा है। यही मैसेज है कि इंडियन कल्चर, इंडियन माइथोलॉजी जो है, एक औरत जो है ऑलमोस्ट गॉडेस के समान है, एक देवी के समान है। सो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि वो याद करे कि वो कल्चर से हम आए हैं और हमेशा औरत को जो है रेस्पेक्ट, डिग्निटी के साथ ट्रीट करे और एक इक्वल के साथ ट्रीट करे, और जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी एक औरत एलिजिबल है वो अपॉर्चुनिटी देना चाहिए।
Hi, I'm Aditya. Please tune in to Bollywood and Glamour.